Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. Today we're going to show you around a lovely pre-registered 72 plate Volkswagen Transporter, top of the range. This is the 204ps BiTDi engine with a DSG gearbox and 4Motion. It's got our full MASV styling pack on it with the lower front spoiler, gloss black pack and matte contrast badges. Some good factory options on this one. It's got the LED lights all round. Has got Discover Media Nav 2 and Diff lock and hill descent control, quite rare options on these. 20-inch alloy wheels fitted with 30mm Volkswagen lowering springs. Just gives you a nice combination of sitting and looking nice and driving really well too. It's got the sidebars and the roof rails. Full privacy tints to the rear glass. This one's got our carbon strip bespoke leather interior. This one also has park assist, front to rear park sensors, a rear view camera and heated front seats there too. That's the Discover Media Nav system, and we've got a carbon leather steering wheel too. Twin sliding doors at the back and the 2+1 rear seating system. So the outside seat just levers up to allow access to the rear. As you can see, it's been fully carpet lined with the suede lined roof and LED downlighters. Power latching doors on this, so as you shut it, it just pulls the door in if it's not quite shut. Smoked rear lights and lenses too on this one. MASV badging and our modified 4Motion badge with the gloss and matte black. Your rear camera. Also got two really useful lights in the tailgate here. Perfect for if you're loading or unloading in the dark. Pure grey, of course, probably the most desirable colour available at the minute on these. Really lends itself well to the gloss blacking. The diff lock and hill descent control buttons that I mentioned just before there, and a better look at the carbon wheel too. Now there are other upgrades available on these. We can put digital dashes in, laser lights, tow bars and mud flaps, to name just a few things. All at an extra cost, but do contact us if you'd like to know about the cost of those options. Mileage today, 206 miles. That's just delivery from the Volkswagen dealer to ourselves. VAT qualifying, so if you're a VAT registered business, you may be able to reclaim some or all of the VAT on the sale price. Now we've got 20+ photos along with a full written description on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We can offer finance facilities for both business and private clients, and we do take part exchanges. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.